Hello, dear children. You need entertainment and the media. Lesson 30. The topic of today's lesson is expressing opinions. Let's start our lesson. Expressing opinions. Listen and repeat. Which sentences ask for an opinion? B. Express a positive opinion. C. Express a negative opinion. Write the correct letter A, B, or C. What was it like? It was fantastic. The dancers were amazing. Did you enjoy it? Not really. It was nothing special. What did Jane and Aidar do on Saturday? Did they like it? Listen and read the dialogue to find out. Hi Jane, it's Aidar. I tried calling you on Saturday, but you didn't answer your phone. Oh, hi Aidar. Yes, sorry. I was at the ballet. Really? What was it like? It was fantastic. The dancers were amazing. What did you do on Saturday? Oh, I just stayed home with my brother and we watched a film on TV. Did you enjoy it? Not really. It was nothing special. Listen, do you want to go for a walk later? Sure. Так, ребята, смотрите, здесь у вас даются фразовые глаголы. Значит, ваша задача перевести эти фразовые глаголы, которые даются здесь, да, keep up with, keep on, keep away, keep off, да, на русский язык переводите, потом делаете задание шестое. Здесь вам надо составлять подходящие фразовые глаголы. Также есть упражнение шестое с workbook, да, тоже здесь выбираете, какой глагол фразовый подходит по смыслу и пишите в тетрадях. Дальше домашние задания, третье, четвертое упражнение на странице 26. Там диалоги, вам нужно их написать, там дополнить, ну, по условиям. Что надо делать, то и сделаете, да? На этом урок заканчивается у нас. Goodbye, have a nice day.